Welcome back. Well, after inaugurating Namo Bharat Rapid Rail Corridor in Saibabad, Prime Minister Modi is all set to address a mega rally in Delhi's Rohini. Take a look at this report filed from the venue.
Well, we are in Rohini today. Prime Minister is set to sound the poll whistle for Delhi elections. This is Parivartan rally. The premises where Prime Minister will soon be here. He is going to launch plethora of projects before starting this Parivartan rally address. This is the first political rally that Prime Minister would be addressing ever since yesterday BJP list had come out. But if you look at the people who have come here, there's a lot of excitement and it shows how excited people are about the Delhi elections. आप यहाँ आए हैं and you know see the women here, also a very big voters, a section of women have been voting for the BJP and BJP also realizes this. So in every rally of BJP you will see many women being present and also pledging their support for the party.
दिल्ली वालों को अब सोचना पड़ेगा कि एक आपदा सरकार जिसने आपदा के समय दिल्ली को आपदा में डाला है और कैसे दिल्ली को लूटने का काम किया है, आपदा जो है दिल्ली में नहीं चाहिए, बीजेपी की सरकार चाहिए। और आज भी इस परिवर्तन रैली से हम एक ही संदेश दे रहे हैं कि अब दिल्ली में बहाने नहीं बदलाव चाहिए, दिल्ली में भाजपा की सरकार चाहिए।
Bahane nahi, badlav chahiye. That's the BJP slogan as the Prime Minister is also to address a crowd in a few moments from now. My colleague Pragya is joining us there from the spot. My colleague Rishabh also on the broadcast with us. Rishabh, the political war of words has been going on and the Prime Minister had spoken about the Aam Aadmi Party being the Apda. While this is the attack that was launched by the Prime Minister, the Aam Aadmi Party has also hit back with a few questions to the BJP, including whether it has a CM face.
Well, definitely, when it comes to Delhi elections, the war of words between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party has escalated with every passing hour. Prime Minister leading from the front for BJP called the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar as an Apada Sarkar, and the former Chief Minister and National Convener of Aam Aadmi Party was quick enough to rebut this attack, and he said that it's not Apada Sarkar, but it was an Ashirwad for the national capital. The same ploy that BJP has been using at the national level, Aam Aadmi Party is using the same formula here in Delhi as well. At the national level, the major question in 2024 election was Modi versus who? And here, it is very clear strategy from Aam Aadmi Party to encash on Arvind Kejriwal's face. And, at multiple occasions, Arvind Kejriwal has very categorically responded to the question that who will be the Chief Minister once if Aam Aadmi Party wins 2025 election. He has been very clear that it will be Arvind Kejriwal and not Atishi. And he also said that Atishi was a stopgap, solution. There were corruption charges against Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, and that's why when they returned from jail, they both resigned from their chief ministership and deputy chief ministership.
Yes.
Reason, they want to go into the courts of the people, and if voted back to power, they will feel and they will believe that the people of Delhi have given them the mandate and they'll take over. And that's the reason that Kejriwal versus who is the weapon that is being used by Aam Aadmi Party here in Delhi. Given
Kejriwal
that
has also spoken about the schemes that have been brought in by the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that's the plan, that's the development that we have been speaking about, Rishabh. I want to go across to Pragya as well, who is joining us from the venue where the Prime Minister is expected in a few moments from now. Pragya, the Prime Minister's attack on the Kejriwal made it made it quite clear that the BJP is making it a clear contest between the Kejriwal model as well as the BJP model in Delhi.
You are absolutely right, and in fact it is the party in power, and this makes more sense for the BJP to say that we are the challenger to Aam Aadmi Party and it is we who can replace and not the Congress party. Having said that, very interestingly, but this time Congress is also contesting better than it contested last time, because there was an election, we had also seen in Delhi where not even a single person campaigned full-fledgedly in the Delhi elections, because they were very upset about Aam Aadmi Party, having taken their also not just the seats but also the vote share. So that was the state of Congress that time in Delhi. But it has come back. There is a spring in the feet of Congress party. They are fielding their top leaders. Alka Lama against Atishi, for that matter, in Kalkaji, which makes Kalkaji contest very interesting. And BJP also believes that they will get advantage of that. However, Aam Aadmi Party is also alleging that Congress's B team, that they had always alleged, and we will, in coming days, we will see these allegations coming from both the sides, from BJP, from Congress, and also from Aam Aadmi Party, calling each other B team, so that the workers will feel demotivated, or there is an attempt of confusion among the workers at least. However, it is very clear for the BJP that they are contesting against Aam Aadmi Party and they are the biggest challenger. And this is exactly what Prime Minister said the day before yesterday, when he said that this is the time to remove Aam Aadmi Party from Delhi, and in fact bring the politics of development. And not just that, there are some taints not just of nationalism but also Hinduism. So, Hindutva is a very big factor. We had heard chants of Jai Shri Ram and Har Har Mahadev is how Mr. Manoj Tiwari started his address while speaking here. So obviously a mix of issues. Delhi is a mixed population, and BJP, if it needs to tackle Aam Aadmi Party and beat Aam Aadmi Party, they have to customize their strategy for each and every segment.
Okay, all right. Pragya and Rishabh, request you to stay with us. We're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.